Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You must grab attention in the first 2 seconds, so open with a shock, a question, or a bold promise. Once you have that hook, commit to one clear concept that fits 6:20 seconds and vertical 9:16 framing. Make sure to record at least 2 angles for quick cuts. Use bright light and steady framing so your captions read well. Start shooting now, don't rework the idea. After filming, immediately label takes and pick the best hook before moving to editing. You now assemble the core, tight edits and a looping finish. Cut on action with 0, 2, 0. 6-second clips for movement and give reaction shots 0, 6, 1, 5 seconds so the brain registers emotion. Once done, design the final frame to loop. Either repeat the opening visual or end on a reveal that resets curiosity. Make sure to add captions for silent viewers and one distinct sound cue or music track to trigger attention. Export at high bitrate and 9. You finish by uploading with a clear title, 3-5 relevant hashtags, and choosing a thumbnail frame that mirrors the hook. Once live, watch full playback in portrait on your phone and confirm captions sync. If performance stalls, troubleshoot quickly. Shorten scene timings by about 20%, swap the first 1-2 seconds with a stronger hook, and replace audio if engagement dips. Finally, make sure to re-upload only after substantial changes. Small tweaks rarely.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.